In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos in Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable video right on your page, so people can watch without leaving your documentation. First, open the YouTube video you want to share. In your browser, highlight the address in the URL bar and copy it. That full link is what Confluence will use to pull in the player. A quick note before you move on: make sure the video is set to public on YouTube. Private videos don't display correctly inside Confluence. Now switch to the Confluence page where you want the video to live. At the top right, click Edit to open the page editor. This puts you in draft mode so you can add content safely. In the editor toolbar, find the plus icon labeled Insert More Content. Click it, then use the search to look for Widget Connector. Select Widget Connector to add the macro to your page. This macro is designed specifically to embed content from sites like YouTube. When the Widget Connector panel opens on the right, paste your YouTube link into the field called Website's Widget URL. Confluence will recognize the link and prepare the preview. If you're following along and need quick access, I've placed a link to Confluence and to the official Widget Connector documentation at the very top of the description. If you want a specific size, you can set pixel width and pixel height. For example, 600 by 400 works well on many pages. If you leave those fields blank, Confluence uses a default size that adapts nicely in most layouts. Go ahead and click Insert or Apply. In the editor, you'll see a video placeholder appear where the player will sit. That's your confirmation that the macro is set up. To make it live, click Publish at the top right. Your page will reload and you should see the embedded YouTube player ready to go. Press play to test and you're done. That's all there is to it. Copy the YouTube URL, add the widget connector, paste the link, size it if you need, then insert and publish. Thanks for watching.